back in Shinjuku. Ang bilis, parang kailan lang nandito kami para lumipat papuntang Kawaguchiko. Ngayon, nakabalik na kami galing Kawaguchiko.
Bulaga?
You have your own money na? Libre mo kami? Which one do you want, Daddy?
Add more.
Wow, relax kayo sa Shinjuku. Si Ida ang haba ng tulog kaya good mood siya. Kaso ang dami namang energy. Kit, lamig tenga mo.
Rickshaw.
Rickshaw. Personal rickshaw. Crossing the Shinjuku crossing. Okay, we wanted to check lang phone for Kevin kasi medyo luma na rin yung cellphone niya. Sana wag magbago isip. Sana wag magbago isip niya. Ganda. Ay, walang tali. Pag sa atin yan, tangay yan. It's nice. Tali ka mga mahal. Ganda. Grabe, it hits different. Christmas song in Japan.
Hindi naman apple sa akin.
Oh, what happened?
There you go. Wait,
You need to get one more.
let me do this for you or you want to do it?
Okay, twist.
Wow!
What's that?
Let's go.
Aba.
We're gonna eat McDonald's kasi gusto raw ni Idang mag-McDo. Gusto sana namin Sukiya or Ichiran kaso gusto raw niya ng French fries.
I had Kaihi. I had it and I opened it. What's the here? It's so nice.
Ang dami dala ni daddy mo. Yung backpack mo, hindi mo dala. Yes, hawak na hawak. Wow, let's see. We're gonna show you our room. And so, we're back here sa Sotetsu Grand Fresa Hotel in Ariake, Tokyo. Dito kami nagstay nung first night namin nung dumating kami dito sa Japan. Tapos, ang maganda dito, iniwan lang namin sa may parang locker area yung aming mga luggage para mag-transfer kami sa Kawaguchiko for 3 days. Kaya ang dala lang namin yung mga backpacks namin. So, nag-check-in lang si Kevin and then we'll get our luggage and then mag-rest muna saglit. For your reference, ito yung main lobby ng hotel. Andun yung reception. Meron ditong money changing machine, pang-weigh. Here are the amenities na free yung makuha. May mga hairbrush, bath towel. Alam nyo, sobrang ganda na itong cleansing oil tsaka face lotion. Kuha agad. Pero last time kasi wala na eh. Eh baka mainit. Okay, you should get this. How do we get it? Wow! May ano, stage. May pagpa-performance Ada. Wow! May sariling microwave!
Ada, come here, please.
I need to get the button.
What can you say about the bathroom?
Thank you.
Thank you. Is it nice?
Yes. Oh, so nice.
Baka hanapin mo yung ganyang toilet, ah.
Now it's done.
Daddy, oh. Ito na yung pinakamalaking sink na napagstayan natin. Do you like your bathroom? Wow! Daddy, ang ganda may veranda. It's nice kasi merong veranda, kaso mas magandang nakalak na lang siya. Pwede siyang i-request na buksan kung gusto nyo. But for us, better na hindi kasi may kasama kaming bata. Baka mamaya pagtulog kami kung anong gawin ni Ada. Sa baba kasi tayo nung first day, walang masyadong view. Yun lang yung kita namin. Sa baba. 19th floor kami ngayon. So, kitang-kita na namin yung bay doon. No? Ang ganda! Ano ba?
Wait lang kasi. Subukan. Ow!
Tatry ni Daddy mamaya sobrang sakit for you. Ano, Aida? Kamusta? Tired feet mo, di ba sabi mo kanina?
Yes.
Oh, yan. Hindi na yan tired. Sarap. Pero yung yung nakakiliti.
Daddy said, how one of them have fish? And Ada said, you don't keep outside.
I'm gonna eat this outside. It's too cold outside.
No, you don't keep in the store.
It's only that it's cold.
Hindi. Gusto mo yung ikaw yung nagbayad. Ikaw yung nasa...
Mukha niya akong taga-shirt.
Get your bag. Get your bag.
Ayun na, malapit na. Come on, go. Go, move fast.
So, fish waterfall. I want
Later, I'll buy you bag like that.
1, 2, 3, smile! Welcome to Diver City. First time namin pumasok dito. Oh my gosh, you have new shoes! Did you say thank you to Daddy? Oh, that's nice!
Need a sleepy. I need a sleepy.
Kaya pala baby. Ganda naman ng shoes mo. You like it? Yummy? Can she watch? Go. Wow! Yeah, good job!
Basic.
Roll it!
Let's go.
Go, Ada! Hindi pa umabot. Yabang pa ng pagkakate. Look. Mami.
my bag.
Okay, fine. Yan. Yan. Good job! Good job! Whoop! Whoop!
We can go back here.
Ang galing, may pa-drink. Grabe, nakakapagod pala dito sa round 1.
We went here. Show mommy the cart, racing cart. Come on.
Ang galing! Ang dami din pang kids!
Sobra.
Nice! Hey, that looks like your shoes, oh. It looks like your shoes.
Why don't we slide there?
Go, go, go! Who's gonna go first? It's Daddy! Oh, tumalbog pa si Ada. Masarap naman ang pakok dun sa baba.
300 yan lang eh.
Ayan, ayan. Additional. Okay, go, go, go. I'll follow you. I'll watch muna you and Daddy.
I want to do
Okay, okay. Aray. Dapat di ka malaglag, ah. Nakakapagod. Look, look, Ada. Look. So, ito yung chocolate s'mores latte. I'm gonna try it. Ida, baby, come on. No one. Hmm?
He's the man. Oh, he's so young.
Si Daddy napapatulugin ni Ida daw sa may balcony. Sa balcony o kaya sa floor. Do you wanna open the door? Here. Shh. Go, go. I think so. Kala mo ngayon niya lang nakita. Ganda naman talaga kasi ng room.
Your bicycle.
By the way, di ko pala napakita kanina itong mini door. First time namin magkaroon ng hotel room na merong shoe rack. Kasi na yun, shoe rack. Tapos may malaking space pa dito. Pwedeng lagayan ng marurumi. First time din namin na sa hotel hindi Airbnb, na may sariling microwave. Tapos may sariling ref. Nilagay na nida yung chocolate niya kanina. May sariling ref. And dito, meron siyang freezer. Diba? Sobrang amazing. Kaya yung mga ice cream namin, hindi na matutunaw. Kasi, yan, may freezer siyang malaki. And ito, ang laki ng space. Usually, ito lang meron sa mga usual namin nagiging hotel. Yan, yung sabitan. Yung bed, hindi siya sobrang laki. Enough lang. Parang magsisiksikan kaming tatlo. Pero, okay lang rin. And then, bukod dun sa hangiran kanina, may sarili pang closet over here. So, ang laki talaga niya. Ang laki ng space. And, amazing din itong bathroom namin. Pinakita ko na to kanina, pero up until now, sobrang amazed ako kasi naka-separate tong toilet. Nakakatawa rin kasi heated tong seat. Kaya, sobrang relaxing mag-toilet. Look, oh, sobrang laki ng sink. Grabe. Usually, mga kalahati lang nito yung sink. But this one, sobrang laki. Kaya lahat ng gamit namin talaga kasha. Tapos may chair din. Ayan, tungtungan ni Ada. Or pwede kong upuan kapag pinaliliguan ko siya. Here, yung shower and yung tub. Although medyo maliit lang yung tub. Parang isang tao lang kaya. Or kami dalawa ni Ada, ganon. Pero not bad na din. Sobrang nagustuhan namin to ni Kevin kasi ang lambot niya sa hair. Tapos, ang bango-bango. We also have our own. Ayan, for Ada, yung soap niya from Biore. Pigeon, yung shampoo niya. And yung aking purple shampoo. Meron pa nga rin silang pabatsa na ganito. Or parang, ano to? Pwede kong gamitin pang tabo pag inugasan ko ng pat si Ada. Wow! Nagmamassage ka na ng legs? Sarap. Grabe naman yan. Sobrang hilig kasi nito ni Ada sa massage. Okay ba yung massage?
Yes, please help me.
And then, itong area for the TV, my desk. Nakakatuwa din, ang daming pwedeng paglagyan ng mga vitamin C, Ada, milk. Ayan. Meron pang drawers over here. 3 drawers din yan. And then, itong premium floors, meron siyang balcony. So, siguro kung dumating kayo nang nakalock siya, itawag nyo na lang sa concierge. Pero yeah, pwede nyo siyang i-lock, especially if you have kids. And here's our view, yung bay. Andon. And then si Kevin bumaba lang, pumunta siya dun sa 7-Eleven. And maybe he will try kung open pa yung Kokoy Chibanya or Sukiya. How is it? Yum? Yum.
Yummy.
Tumatakas. May udon ka pa. Grabe talaga itong Family Chiki, sobrang juicy niya. Usually si Ada ang kinakain niya lang talaga sa chicken, balat, ganun, pag thigh part, konting laman. Pero ito talagang kinakagat niya, tsaka nire-request niya talaga na ito yung kainin kasi sobrang juicy and sarap. Wow, big girl talaga. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. So juicy. Uy, wait lang, may kinakain ka pang iba. Yung usa ko doon. So today, yun lang yung ginawa namin. Nag-enjoy kami ng sobra sa round 1. Did you enjoy round 1?
Yes.
Really? What did you do there?
Okay.
Tomorrow, we have to wake up early kasi we have Kidzania. Are you excited for Kidzania?
Yes.
Really? What do you want? Do you want to be a pilot?
Yes.
What else?
Be a doctor.
A doctor? Okay. So see you tomorrow, Kidzania.
See you tomorrow, Georgina.